Hey, my name is Martin, and this is the first part of the robot we want to talk about for Progress Report 1, the battery system. So we have here two 12 volt 35 amp hour batteries that are in series, which allows us to power the robot with 24 volts 35 amp hours. So we have that. So we use these car battery connectors, these 6-gauge wire, to make sure we have enough copper to make sure nothing catches on fire. And this leads out to we have the circuit breaker, which is rated up to 150 amps. We don't expect to hit that high, but if it hits over, we'd like it to turn itself off to prevent any damage. And that allows us to turn on and off the robot whenever we please, at least one way to do it. And that leads to the bus bars, which allows us to neatly distribute the 24 volts into the motor drivers, Arduinos, and the other stuff.
Hi, my name is Zane, and I'm talking about more of the power that Martin was talking about. So he told you guys about 24 volt battery, and we connected to these little, I guess they're terminals. So we have negative in these black terminals, and then the 24 volt positive to these, and then we also connected in parallel to this. It's essentially a step down for 24 volt to 5 volt, and then it's a 10 amp max, so we know we're not going anything over 10 amps. Then the 5 volt connects to, it will connect to, in the future, Raspberry Pi, Arduinos, any other boards we're connecting to. Right now we're connecting, since we're showing our motor driving, it's connected to 2 Arduinos. So we have the output of this 5 volt coming into these 2 Arduinos. And this is the control board, which is sending 2 I2C signals to this other motor driver Arduino, which is then receiving these signals and then sending out PWM signals to the motor driver.
Okay, so then as Zane said, the Arduinos go into our motor driver here, the MDD20A. So we have incoming 2 PWM signals and 2 direction signals, which will go into our motors. And then we have also the voltage and the ground here, as well as the signals going into the motors. Go.
All right, so these are the motors. They're powered by the PMW. They're going to be going in different speeds, as shown on the little chart we have right here. Can someone hit on the power?